Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing an install video on this rear cargo rack for a 2022 Ford Bronco. So I have everything's in here to install it. You do have instructions, but I'm just going to be doing a video of how to install it. It's pretty straightforward. So as you can see here, you have this bolt, and then you have this bolt over here, as well as another bolt right here, and it's the same bolts on the opposite side. Those are the 3 bolts you're going to be removing to install this. The tool that you will need is this one. So this came with my Bronco already, and it's used to be able to take off this whole panel. So let's get straight to it. So as you can see, I'm going to be removing these bolts. So like I said, it's pretty straightforward. So this bracket would go here, and I would be putting the bolts in right there and tighten it down. And there you have it. Pretty easy. And you'll just repeat the same step on the other side. And there you go. Get both parts in. Not too complicated to do. But yeah, now onto the rack part. So once you got the rack in place, with the provided hardware that they send to you, you're gonna be putting the bolts here, 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 and here. Same on the other side. And yeah, once you have those in, your rack is ready. And there you go, guys. There's the finished product. This is pretty easy to install, pretty straightforward, simple. Like I said, it took me on, I want to say maybe 10 minutes to install this. The instructions are included, so it's pretty easy. There's nothing really that you can miss. Like I said, just these 3 simple screws that you unscrew. Put the bracket on. Do the same thing on the opposite side. And then with the provided hardware, once you have this in, all you do is bolt it down and you're done. I give this a 10 out of 10. It's gonna give me a lot more space in my rear of my Bronco. And the quality on this thing, I love it. You can't go wrong with it. But yeah, once again, thank you, Yzona, for sending this out. Look forward to working with you more. Thank you.